Hi everyone, it's Natalie Eastman of ahighernote.com. Today I wanted to talk very briefly with you about how special and unique your voice is and why there will never ever be another voice like yours. Never has been, never will be. So I'm actually developing some free training for tomorrow on getting more vocal power. And this topic is related to the topic of resonation. So vocal resonation. And there is a super close relationship between vocal power, getting more vocal power, and resonance. So I wanted you to know something that is just so beautiful. We know, and you will learn if you come tomorrow, we know that resonation is the physical activity that goes on inside your body to create your unique voice. It is anatomy and physiology and an amazing, beautiful symbiotic relationship. And it is the sound waves bouncing around inside your head, your neck, and your chest to create your unique voice. This is why we can use vocal analyzers and voice identifiers for security purposes, because no one has the exact same voice you do. And the reason for that is because no one has the exact same sizes of the anatomical structure that you do. Nobody has the exact same space that you do inside there, the empty spaces. No one has the same consistencies of hard and soft tissues and spaces. Your voice is truly, entirely unique. You know, if you've been around here a while, that I believe that everyone can sing. And I also truly believe that everyone has something to give. Every singer has something to give in the world with their voice. And this is part of the reason why. Have a great day. If you would like to come tomorrow, shoot me an email at info@ahighernote.com. info@ahighernote.com. You'll see that on the Facebook page. Love to have you. It is free. It'll be about 45 minutes to an hour. I will be giving a description of a program that I am offering that you can consider joining, a group coaching program. But this section on getting more vocal power, it's going to take up the bulk of 45 minutes to an hour, and it is all there for you, your benefit. So, all right. Hope to hear from you. Have a great day.